Angle of spleen. Now second is second, and it is also the junctions of superior border with the lateral or anterior end. Junction. Superior border with lateral or anterior end. Superior border with a lateral or anterior end. See here, we have just seen this angle. Posterior angle. The superior border with the anterior lateral end. Superior border with anterior lateral end. This is the anterior border. This is the anterior border and this is the posterior border, and we have that is posterior angle. Now we'll see about posterior end. Anterior end is done. Two is angle. Anterior angle is done. Posterior angle. Posterior angle, it is a junctions of inferior border with the lateral or the anterior end of the spleen. It is a posterior end. Posterior end, it is the angle between, it is angle or a junction. The junctions of the inferior border with the lateral or the anterior end. Junctions with the inferior border with the lateral or the anterior end. This is a posterior angle. End of the spleen, two angle, anterior angle and posterior angle. What is remaining now? Two surface. Yes, two surface. How many surfaces are? Two surface. See, we have learned from diagram two surfaces are there. Diaphragmatic surface and visceral surface. Now see, diaphragmatic surface and visceral surface. Diaphragmatic and visceral surface, there are two surfaces. Let's just write here. Diaphragmatic surface. Diaphragmatic surface, it is convex. This is diaphragmatic surface and this is visceral surface, and diaphragmatic surface is smooth, so it is smooth. Diaphragmatic surface is smooth and convex. It is convex and smooth. Now visceral surface, second. concave. It is concave and irregular. See? Irregular. It is not like smooth like this. It is irregular. It is irregular. Now one more is remaining, that is 2E. 2E means to end. To end. One is, see here in diagram only. Everything we are learning from diagram only. See, anterior end. A means anterior end. Okay, anterior end and anterior end and posterior end. Now anterior end is like more like border. See, look at it. It is more like border. It is not like short. See, it's like a border only. It's more like border. And in that, in end, we have to see in 2 points. In which point? First, we have to see direction, like where it is direction, and second, where it is reach, till where it is reach. First, direction. First, direction. See, anterior and direction is, it is downward and forward. It is downward and forward. It is downward and forward. Now posterior end. Posterior end. Sorry. Now second point is reach. Where it is reach. Till where it is reach. Mid axillary line. It reached till mid axillary line. It was till mid axillary. 2 points we have to study, like directions and reach. Now posterior direction. Posterior direction is, see, posterior direction. It is upward, backward and medially. This is medial side, right? Right side or medial side is same. This is upward, backward and medially. Medially. Upward, backward and medially. Now where it is reach. It reach upper pole of the left kidney. Upper pole of the left kidney. Because spleen is in left side. Yeah, this is done. Spleen is done. Let me show you what we have learned today. we have learned location, see today we have learned about introduction, location, see location diagram here, location diagram, dimension, just we have to remember odd numbers, just have to remember odd numbers. Then the features, location features, feature you just have to remember base and some number like 322. External features, if you know the diagram of external features, you know the theory of external features. This is hilum, which two an anterior end and posterior end, an anterior end and posterior end. So it also get a two surface. This is visceral surface, and visceral surface also get hilum here, which can identify this is a visceral surface, this is an hilum here, and there is a diaphragmatic surface. This is a diaphragmatic surface which is convex. It is a convex. We have three border. This is superior border which have notch, superior notch, which can be identified, that is superior border, and we have here inferior border here. If it also have notch. And thank you so much, and this is my first channel, and if you like it, share it, and this is an easy way to remember. And